So now after changing the behavior of our medical assistant, let's try to work on its GUI. So the first change which we are going to do in regards to GUI is showing some icon which will gonna indicate that it is a medical or health assistant, and you will find one such image in this lecture resources. So along with this prompt.txt you will find this doctor.png. So it contains this image where we got this robotic doctor, and it will gonna indicate that this particular chatbot is related to medical, and we are later going to teach you to generate these images using AI for your mobile applications. So it means that we are going to generate these PNGs which we can include inside our applications. But for now you can simply copy this image, and then inside your application we need to create a new folder, and we can name it like assets. So assets, and then inside that folder we can simply paste the image. So there you can see this image is added here, and after doing that, inside our pubspec.yaml file we need to declare this assets folder so that we can access that image. And to do that you can simply select these three lines and uncomment them, and here it is very important to specify this indentation. So this asset should match this usage material design, and after that we should remove one space from here and then remove the second line entirely, because here we are going to specify our assets folder only. So now by doing this, we are making sure that our application can access the files present in the assets folder. And now inside our GUI, we can display that image to the user on screen. So basically when our chatbot will be opened for the first time and user have not asked any question, so in that case we are going to display that report image here. And below that we are also going to display some text content. So to do that, inside our chat screen you can go to the build method. So there you can see we got our build method here, and right now our dash chat is being displayed here. So here before displaying this dash chat, what we can do is to check that the messages list which is being displayed in this dash chat is empty or not. So write messages dot is not empty. So if it is not empty, so in that case we are going to display dash chat, so after the question mark we got it. And if it is empty, so in that case we are going to display some other content including that image. So to show that content, what we can do is to again add an expanded widget, because we want to display it just like this dash chat, so we want to fully expand it. And after that inside it we are going to add a column widget, and then inside that column widget we are firstly going to show our image, and to do that we can use this image.assets widget, and there we can specify the path of image. So as our image is present inside assets and it is named as doctor.png, so we can do it like this, and then we can specify the width and height. So let's use 250 for now, and similarly for height use 250. And after doing that, let's format our code and then restart our application. So there you can see we got this report image which is being displayed here. And now after displaying this robot image, below that we can display some text content as well. So add a text widget here, and then we are going to display the text like hello, and then we can also display username. So for example I can use my name for now, so hello Hamza, and then we can make this text bold. So set the text style, and here we are going to use a font size of 22, and we are also going to make this text bold. So set this font weight, so font weight dot bold, and there you can see this text is added as well. And now after displaying this image and this text, we want to display it actually in the middle of screen. So to do that we can set this main axis alignment for column. So here using it we can set the position where we want to display these items in the column. So main axis alignment dot center, and then hot reload. And now you can see it is being displayed in the center. Similarly, after displaying this text, we can also display another text widget here. And in that text widget we can display the content like what is the purpose of your visit today. And here before this text widget we need to add a comma, otherwise we will have an error. And after displaying this text we can also set its size, so text style, and then set this font size to 13. Now press Ctrl S. And there you can see this text is added as well and it is looking much better. So now after displaying these things, if we are going to type some prompt here like hello, you can notice that as soon as our first message is being displayed here, everything is gone here, and the reason is we are displaying these things only if this messages list is empty. And when we are passing a single message to this messages list, then in that case dash chat is visible and these things are hidden. So now after adding this content here, we are going to add some additional tiles or button below this text. So those tiles will gonna make it easier for user to start the conversation. Like we can display a tile there that I got a headache or a stomach pain and so on. So by that way user can just simply click on the tile and that message will be sent to Chatbot. But we are going to do that inside our next lecture. But for now we have added the image inside our Chatbot and we have tried to change the GUI for our medical assistant.